Joining us now in person, post 9, Kevin Simpson of Capital Wealth Planning. Kevin, good to see you. Good to meet you. We've spoken like 100 times, but never in person.
You're much more handsome in person, Brian.
And taller. That's all I ever. Never. See, no one ever says handsome. They just say you're much taller in real life. I guess everybody on TV looks the same. All right, SLB. We just had Stephanie Link talk about it. Company formerly known as Schlumberger, kind of a bizarre name change, but whatever. Oil services company, global tech, as they would call themselves. Why do you like SLB?
You know, energy was our big winner for 2022, but they've lagged so much in 2023 that I feel like there's opportunity there. And when we're looking for companies that have just cash flow on top of cash flow, this is a company that takes care of shareholders. They've got share buybacks. They're paying dividends. And if we think about the rig count, and this is your area, not mine, what was the daily rate a few months ago? $250,000, $300,000 a day. Now we're up to $500,000. And I don't know how high it could go. Could it go to $1 million?
I don't think we'll see $1 million on that. You're talking about the cost. What Kevin's referred to is the cost to basically get a drilling rig, because it takes about 3 weeks to get a well done, everything, and then until the oil comes out. Not like the olden days where, a donkey was knocking the thing in there. And they don't drill dry wells. So because of SLB's technologies, no one's missing. No one's like, oh, there's no oil here. I mean, this is gone. This is tech. Company's been printing money. Does it get hurt, or does it benefit in a weird way from the fact that there are many massive institutions that will not invest in fossil fuel related companies? I could see both sides of that.
Yeah, I think a lot about that, but I'm going to be agnostic to it. I'm going to look at the balance sheet. I'm going to look at earnings, and I ultimately need to make money. The fact that there may not be as many people or institutions chasing the stock, I think gives me more of an opportunity to accumulate the position. So we own it. We bought more. We own Chevron. I mean, we love the energy space. My only downside is I've got a covered call written against Marathon Petroleum, and I'm going to lose it this month. So I want to allocate some more assets into the space. Schlumberger is a good name.
Okay. And speaking of the energy transition, right, we're going to go from fossil fuels to what we just talked also with Steph about power lines. Whatever we do, whether we build a windmill, a solar farm, electric cars, all I know is this. All of them are going to need copious amounts of two things: lithium and copper. And you added to Freeport-McMoRan.
Yeah, we want to play both sides of the trade. So I was thinking, what does it cost in terms of copper right now? And it's at a 1 month low. So we initiated the position about a month ago. They posted good earnings. They beat on the top line. They beat on the bottom line. Stock tanked about 5% on that good news. They've been cleaning up their balance sheets. They've been paying off their debt. They have a sub 1% dividend, which isn't, the best thing for me. But the dividend growth over the past 3 years has been massive. If China actually reopens, if there's stimulus in China, if people buy electric cars, it's 4 times as much copper for an electric car than it is for a traditional car. So I think if we're building a position in something, these are names that are certainly out of favor.
I like the hedge, because in a weird way, if you believe one's going to win or the other's going to win, it's either going to, oil and copper are basically the same thing in a weird way, right? They both sort of power different things, but you're going to need a lot of them depending on how it goes.
Yeah, there's no third horse in the race.
Not yet. We'll see what happens when the aliens come. Once
the
aliens come down, then we'll know. They'll give us their technology. Kevin Simpson, Capital Wealth, great stuff. Appreciate it, Kevin.